welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new to this channel, thank you for stopping by. My name is Linda, and of course, please kindly support me by clicking that subscribe bell right now, and also hitting the post notification bell just right beside it, just so that you're notified when I upload a new video on my channel. Let's just jump right into like the subject matter of this video, which is on the difference between a single drawn hair and a double drawn hair. So guys, if you're interested in catching the difference, then do want to keep on watching this video. So guys, let's get right into it, and please subscribe right now. So guys, the basic difference between a single drawn hair such as this and a double drawn hair such as this actually is as a result of like the volume of the hair and the texture of the hair. Like this one right here is actually a single drawn hair. This is a 14-inch hair, and you can see that when it comes to like the volume of the hair, it's actually like really full here. The breadth is actually this is actually quite full here, and then it's also full, though it starts to thin out. Though this particular single drawn hair is actually like a very good hair. That's why I actually see that okay, it's actually quite full, even up to like the ends area, it's still quite full. But then the thing is, when you start getting to the end, you find out that it really thins out. So a single drawn hair tends to have like, you know, a whole lot of short hairs, as you can see from like here. And another thing is also like the texture of the hair. Single drawn hair tends to be like softer, and like the size, even the strands of the hair is actually like very thin and soft. That's what like single drawn hairs. Then when it comes to like double drawn hairs, like double drawn hairs are like they're like the queen bee, like they're like the Beyonce of hair. Like double drawn hair is actually like full from like up part here, even up onto like the down part. You can see like the volume, like it's insane. Like it's like a different level of hair. Like it's guys, like if you have to get hair, please get double drawn hair. But then if you're actually on a budget, I advise you do like a single drawn hair. But then double drawn, and these strands are like they're thick. They're not as light as the other single drawn like hair. The strands are thicker, though it's still soft, but it's thicker. And one thing I find is that when it comes to like bleaching your hair, another difference between like the single drawn hair and double drawn hair, when it comes to like bleaching single drawn hairs, these ones are actually easier to lift. It's easier to actually like bleach single drawn hair, unlike double drawn hairs. Double drawn hairs take more time to actually like lighten, but generally, because of the textures of double drawn hair, it's difficult to actually have like damage from when you actually like lighten double drawn hair, because of course the quality, like the rich texture of the hair is still like, you know, just it makes it difficult for the hair to actually like damage, because of course the texture of the hair is really good. So another difference between like the double drawn hair and the single drawn hair is of course the price point. When it comes to single drawn hairs tend to be more affordable than double drawn hairs. There is usually a price difference. Sometimes you can actually find that single drawn hairs are usually like ×2 the double drawn hairs are usually like ×2 the price of like single drawn hairs. So let's say this bundle right here costs like let's say 12,000 naira. This bundle right here probably costs like 18,000 naira or 20k, or probably even 22,000 naira. I'm just like trying to like give you guys like a guide. I want to put the dollar equivalent on the screen so you guys will actually like see, like, you know, be able to like figure out like the price differences between like a single drawn hair and a double drawn hair. So that actually just depends on which where you source your hair from. And another, I think I should actually like make a video on the differences between Chinese hair and Vietnamese hair. I don't know if you guys would like to see that video, let me know in the comment section. So guys, I think I've actually like run down on like the various differences between the single drawn hair and the double drawn hair. And another thing is, when it comes to double drawn hairs tend to hold curls better than single drawn hairs. You know why? Because the strands of the double drawn hairs are thicker, unlike those of the single drawn hair, which is actually like really soft. So most times, even when you curl your single drawn hairs, the curls can actually like fall quickly, because of course the texture of the hair doesn't really allow for like, you know, that strong hold, unlike that of the double drawn hair, which the textures are like, you know, really thick. So it allows you to curl the hair and like actually like get like, you know, your curls actually like last really long. So guys, I hope that this video actually helps you in your choice of in choosing what type of hair to actually like purchase when next you're actually like buying your hair, whether to either do single drawn or double drawn. The choice is yours, guys. So I hope I was able to help you with this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you'd like to see more videos on my channel, please support me by subscribing to my channel, because if you subscribe, it encourages me to actually continue to make more videos for you. So guys, thank you so much, and I'll catch you in the next video. And always remember to be bold and have courage. Live a positive life, guys. I love you. Bye. Have a great day.